Got a Boxing Day date with Sid.
Now listen, you. You know I heartily disapprove of Sid.
Well, he can't be worse than Liam. And James is seeing him. Can you just give him a chance?
Juliet, darling, as I once said to Twiggy, more is only more when it comes to eyeliner. Worked out all right for her, didn't it? Look, I'm not going to insist that you don't go, but at least we can get something right. Come here.
Is she the one that cut up your ballet shoes in boarding school?
No, that was a... Never mind. Oh, and as for you, I'm going to need you bright-eyed and bushy-tailed at Le Salon aujourd'hui.
I should have gone skiing with James. You are ruining my Christmas.
Like I said, I'll be there. On my date. With Sid.
Look, I know he's had a hard time recently, and I get that. But seriously, I think you could do so much better. Maybe you should slow it down a little bit.
Bore off. Both of you. You know what? I think I might speed things up a bit. Me and Sid are in a relationship. Officially.
Juliet. All right.
Joining us.
No thanks.
Why haven't you accepted my status request?
Yeah, look, are you taking the mick with that?
Are you? Leaving me hanging?
I mean, all we've done is kiss like once.
Well, what am I doing here then?
Oh, don't flip, I'm just saying
Well,
that.
tell me what to do.
Nancy says we can have a sort of party at mine for New Year's Eve. We just had to babysit.
Fair enough.
And it's a perfect reason for you to make up with Juliet.
After everything she did to me.
Hey, isn't forgiveness all part of the Christmas spirit?
I don't know what that means.
It means being the bigger person.
And you have been really down without a friendship. She does like she could do with a mate.
Well, then she needs to learn the dictionary definition of a friend, then.
You miss Brooke terribly, don't you?
She hates me. Can't blame her. Screwed it up with her just like I screwed it up with Sid.
I noticed you bought her a Christmas present, though.
Whatever. It's too late now.
You know, darling, I never did tell you why Cynthia Hamilton cut up my ballet shoes. I'd been making her life hell for weeks.
What did you do to her?
Oh, no. I don't want to dredge all that up right now. My point is, darling, I didn't apologize effectively.
There's no point.
Oh, sweetheart. I just don't want you to have any regrets where Brooke is concerned. So you are going to have to trust me whilst I go and interfere.
Look, I didn't mean to hurt you.
Juliet.
What are you doing?
She paid for it out of her own wages, too.
Great.
Brave and honest.
Our jealousy ruined our friendship. I just thought that if you weren't the center of attention all the time, people might care about me a little bit for a change.
Why didn't you just tell me that?
I knew deep down how much I was in the wrong. It was driving me insane. But I should never have bullied you. Look, I really do think you're amazing, Brooke. And I know that you don't want to be my friend, but I still want to be yours. I saw this and thought of you.
We love seeing the underdogs at Beatsville. Especially Marcus Baines.
Will you at least keep the bracelet?
Do you want to come to a party at mine for New Year's?
Really?
Of course. Is that the Christmas spirit?
Too right.
Well, it sounds to me like it's gonna be the best New Year's ever.